Hello dear viewers all around the world and wherever you're watching this video from. I am Sheyi Dairo. Today guys, I come to show you a practical guide on how to set up free Amazon seller account. Either you are from Nigeria, you are from Ghana, you are from Cameroon, you are from any part of the country you are watching this video from. I want to show you how you can place your items on Amazon. Amazon now have, let me say, millions. I will show you everything here. People that visit Amazon on a daily basis, they are almost millions. But we are going to check the stats from this now. I'll show you everything. Either you're into mini exportation business, you want to showcase your food stores or export items from your country. You want to place it on the Amazon where you will see buyer for it. I will show you everything. You want to sell charcoal, you want to sell anything you want to sell on Amazon, anything you want to place there on Amazon whereby you will see buyer for it. I will show you everything here, but all I need from you is just to give me your full attention from beginning to the end, and do not skip any part of this video because there are something I will put in this video, especially for you that are in my WhatsApp group, Telegram channel, where I usually give people weekly giveaway. I'm going to put some secret in this video, and this will actually fetch someone or some group of people some money in their account. Okay, without further ado guys, let's go. So first thing to do now is to open this amazon.com. I will put the link in the description box. This is the homepage of Amazon. So the next thing to do, if you have account with Amazon before, you can come here and click on the sign in button here, then click here, then sign in. When signing, the next thing to do is to click here. You see sell button here, so click on sell. All right, so the other method I want to give you now is for someone like you watching this video now, you don't have account with Amazon before. The first thing to do is either you click on this sell button, or you come down to the bottom side of this page. You see sell on Amazon, click on sell, this one, click it. So when click now, see where we are now, start selling with Amazon. Okay, let's go back to the first one I show you here. You will see sell, this sell. Now let me click on this sell. So I think we are getting the same result, so let me close this one. All right, now we are on this one, and the next thing to do now is to click here, this sign up button here. You see start selling with Amazon, the fastest growing and preferred acquisition channel for over half our multi-channel sellers. So there's one more thing I want to do. I want to show you guys the stats. People that visit the kind of visited, I want to show you the kind of the stats these websites have. All right, now from here, now look at this sign up. So we can click here to sign up. $39.99 a month plus selling fees. So don't worry, if you follow this strategy, you will not pay this amount of money. It's going to be free for you. So that's why you need to give me your full attention to watch this video to the end without skipping any part of this. So without further ado guys, let's click on this sign up button. All right, see Amazon Seller Central, get started selling on Amazon. So well, you have to put your email or phone number and password, and click on next. But here now we don't have account, so I'll click on create Amazon account. So I'll click on create your create your Amazon account here. Then next thing now is to fill this one, your name, email, password, repeat password, and click on next. So I'll quickly fill this one now. So I have put the information here now. It's just random information I put here, but the email address is just one temporary email address I put here now. So I'll click on next button here now. But you that using this account, you want to use this account for real, you have to put your correct information here, put your Gmail address, your password, repeat the password, and click on next button here. So solve this puzzle to protect your accounts. Enter the letters and numbers below. So let me just look through. I think this is HM77M2. Let me try it. HM77M2. Okay, let me try it. Click on continue. There was a problem, internal error. Please try again later. Okay, let me keep trying this. Okay, next one is to verify email address. So when I first did it, I think they have internal technical error. So I repeat it, and boom, I was able to get to this. So verify email address. So I need to go to my email address now and check the OTP sent there now. I'll copy and put it here. All right, look at the message they sent to my inbox. Verify your new account Amazon, your new Amazon account. So look at the OTP now. So this is what I need. I need to copy out this, then I will paste it here. Then I will click on verify, add mobile number. So the next thing to do is to change this. I am not from US, I'm from Nigeria, so I'll change this one to Nigeria. Now this is US +1, so I need to go and look for Nigeria on, and that's +234. Nigeria, this +234. Then I'll put my number here now. So I click on add mobile number now. When I put the number, I click on add mobile number, and they sent OTP now to the phone number. So I need to get that OTP send to that phone number and put it here now. All right. So I was expecting them to I was expecting to receive the OTP the first time. I didn't see it, so I click on resend OTP. Later I got it to my phone now. So let me just quickly put it now. That's 986574. Then I'll click on create your Amazon account. Welcome, here is what to expect. Provide your information and documents. We need to collect relevant personal and business information to comply with identification and verification measures. We may require additional information or documents later. We verify your submission, get verified and start selling. So what you will need. So like I explained before, if you have account with Amazon before, just like how I first explained, if you have signed it before, you may not need to be passing through all this one we just did now. You only just to land to where we are right now. Okay, and before I go further, please, this is a paid advert, let me say information for you guys. If you have interest in mini importation, maybe you are into mini importation before, and you have been looking for a good place for pre-order, I have one for you here. Just check the comment box, I'll pin it there. For pre-order from different countries, so there are we have experts there that's in charge of pre-order from different countries. Anything you want to buy, and it's like you just want to join one pre-order group, you don't want to pass through some stress, just check the pin message. You will see link to that WhatsApp group. Go and join it. It's only for pre-order. And if you have interest in learning mini importation business, you can get in touch with me. I have classes for different countries. You will receive your training there. So guys, let's go. So to begin now, put your business location here. I think with this I may have challenge because of this ID. Then it said what you will need, that's valid government issue ID or passport, recent bank account or credit card statements, chargeable credits or debit card, then mobile phone. So all these requirements will give me a serious challenge to train you further. But let's go guys, So business location now, let's go. I'll put this your business location. I'll put Nigeria here. Then I'll click on begin. Business information, business location, that's Nigeria. Business type, so select an entity type. So let me click here to see option given us. State-owned business, publicly listed business, privately owned business, charity, none. I am an individual. So I'm going to this none. I am an individual. So this one I'm going for here now. Now what I pick determine what is here now. Okay, maybe let me change this now. Pick another one. You will see what I'm talking about now. States. Okay, state-owned business now. So you see what they are requesting for now. Business name used to register with your state or federal government. You see now. If I pick so I select this one, privately owned business, the same thing. If I select charity, look at what it's asking for here. Then that's why, to save you all this stress, that's why I say none. I am an individual here. So first name, middle name, and last name. All right, I just fill this one now. And let's read this one. Please ensure your business type selection is correct. An individual says in the private content, an individual does not sell a product to a company or charity and does not operate in a business or professional context. So if you're putting this, if you're selecting this, you see reasons, reasons you have to be very careful before you select something there. So you see the condition attached to it. So here I click on I confirm my business location and types are correct, and I understand that this information cannot be changed later. So please, you have to read carefully. Are you going for publicly listed business, privately owned business, non-individual? I am an individual or charity. All right, so that you know the purpose of selling here. Next thing I have to do is to click on agree and continue. Okay, while this is loading, please put this in the comment box to help this video rank well. Type Amazon sellers account. Amazon seller account. Just put it there guys for me. I love you. Let's go again. All right, look at the name field here, and please make sure this name is your official name on your ID. So please, all right, the next one is country of citizenship. I'll put Nigeria here. Nigeria. So it's loading information for me based on my country. All right, country of birth. Nigeria. Put Nigeria there. Date of birth. Let me put random things here. For May 94. Yeah, identity proof. That's your passport or national ID. You have to upload it here. Country of issue. It's from Nigeria. Nigeria issue you this. So you have to put your country here. The country that issue you this, you have to put it here, guys. Nigeria, then passport. If it's passport, you have to put the passport number here. Let me see if I can put something random here. So to use passport should be in case they request for passport. So I want to look for one online, just fake passport online to use for this. If I can able to use it to bypass. Okay, so let's go on passport number. Let me put a, so I put this random number there now. I don't know if that will be able to help me, at least just to train you guys. Date of expiry now, let me form a particular time there on July 2020. Let me just 2027. Okay, 2026. Let me put it like this. Residential address Nigeria, postal zip code. Okay, so look at it now, Lagos. I put random information. All this information are not real. I just put it there at least so that I will be able to use it to train you guys. So next thing now is to click on next button. Let's see if I will be able to bypass this. Wow. So at this point, it's a serious hook because I'm trying to bypass this subscription fee. This monthly subscription fee, I'm trying to bypass this. Is like, okay, let me just read it for you guys. Monthly subscription fee, you will be charged a professional selling subscription fee of 39.99 USD for the first month. You will continue to be charged this fee each month if you have active listings. If you do not have active listings, you will not be charged a subscription fee in that month. If you expand to sell in other stores, you will pay the equivalent of 39.99 US dollars per month. Split proportionality across each country or region in which you have an active listing and charge separately in each local currency. You can downgrade at any time. For more information, see this page. All right, so now they want us to put the card number, your credit or debit card number here, expire date, and the card holder's name here. Then click on next here. So billing address is here. If you still want to add more, you can put it here. Then click on next from here. So they will do the billing, they will enter the store, then verification. So with the way this thing is going on, you just have to pay. I don't see how we can bypass this. You just have to pay. But let me quickly show you something here. Look at the Amazon's pricing here now. Sell.amazon.com/pricing here. You can see selling plans, subscription, individual. We go for individual, right? That's the one we apply for, individual, right? And this professional, 39.99 per month. Then this one 0.99 per item sold. So I am trying to see if we can able to utilize this, but maybe things have changed. I don't know. Maybe things have changed. So sign up for individual from here. Sign up for professional. Sign up for individual. Okay, let's see this one. If this one will actually work. Still the same page, guys. Still the same page. Still the same page. I click here. Still, if I'm back to this page, we just have to put our card here. So this. At this junction, we have to put card and they will do verification. Like I read somewhere, I think they will. Okay, let me see if I can put random credit card here. So drop your opinion about this as a viewer. Probably you have tested this, you have tried it, and let's see what will happen. But don't forget, someone told you that you can sell charcoal on Amazon, and I think they are addressing people that are struggling to make both ends meet. Are we seeing something here? And if you have money, you're financially okay, I think this shouldn't be a big challenge for you. You can easily put your ID, put your card details there, and boom, continue. But before you move on with charcoal selling on Amazon, guys, are we seeing something? So let's go. So I've put the random, just some for demo info. I put it here now. So I click on next. Let's see if I can also bypass this. It's still loading, guys. Oh. Please enter a valid credit card. 4 attempts remaining 5. So, oh man. Well, they dictated this that is not a correct card. So you just have to put your card there. So guys, I try as much to bypass this. Like I just want to drive it through and boom, it just fuck up. I can't go beyond this because of the card details I have to put here. So if you have intention of trying this, just have it at the back of your mind that probably it may not be free. Like I'll show you this, their pricing. The one you subscription one, that's almost $40 per month, and the other one, but the way the thing is going on, they just want us to put our card there, and information was given there like how they would charge you. So guys, have you tested this? Have you tried it? What is your opinion about this? Please drop it in the comment box, and don't forget to put this on the comments. Amazon seller account. So thank you guys, thank you for the love, and please, before you go, if you are interested in joining pre-order class for mini importation, I have it. Just check the comment box. I'll pin it there. You can join those group. I have experts there that will take care of your goods, how to just for pre-order, joint order from any country, different countries. So it's very okay for you. Just I will see the link there, go and join it. If you have interest in learning mini importation, I'm a business coach. Just get in touch with me. Also, I'll put it in the description box and the comment box. You'll see how you get in touch with me and to enroll for my classes there. So guys, thank you. If you have interest on how to be making money online, go and watch this video. If you have interest in mini exportation business, you want to learn about mini export business, go and watch this video. Very, very important. And if you have interest in mini importation business as well, go and watch this. And this is a new video. Thank you so much, guys. I love you. Bye for now.